new sound just for us, just to get down. Listening to it on the radio, going along, enjoying the flow, mixing the colors in a rainbow. Check out the voice of Miss Jojo.
সন্ধ্যা বেলায় তুমি আমি বসে আছি দুজনে